Hey guys, welcome to Around House with Cheryl. I'm Cheryl, and today I want to share with you this little sort of a gift basket ideal. And I'm using this recipe of mine for 7-Up cake. I typed it up and had it laminated. And on the front are all the ingredients that you need to make this cake. And I'll link the how I made the cake in an older video if you would like to see that. And here on the back is the directions. So if you're not already and you like anything beautiful inside and out around the house, appreciate it if you hit the subscribe button and double tap the bell if you want to see future videos. So what I did is I bought this, I call it a tube pan. It's a little bit different than the pan I have. So we're going to see, I'm going to find out if this works since I'm giving this as a gift. So at the Dollar Tree I found these pot holders and dish towel, and I didn't find any really Christmas ones. They must have sold out. Anyway, I got the red spatula, and of course you need 7-Up, but any lemon lime soda will work for this recipe. And I wrapped up the lemon extract in this little pretty gold wrapping paper that I picked up from the Dollar Tree. So I'm going to put this together and I'll be back to show you how it all looks. Okay, so I put stuff in there, and then I took the cellophane paper that I got from the Dollar Tree. Sorry, I'm cutting y'all off a little bit. And I wrapped it all up. Some of it you can see, and then this pretty burlap polka dot red ribbon I picked up from the Dollar Tree. So I wrapped that around, and inside is the recipe. I thought about putting it on the outside, but I didn't want to take a chance on losing it. So I put that in there, and I will add a tag on it. But as you can see inside, the spatula really sticks out, and then as you turn it, you can see the recipe. And when I gathered it up, it kind of crushed down the dish towel and pot holder. But you can see the 7-Up peeking out there. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you do, don't forget to comment, like, subscribe, and share, and I'll see you guys next time. Don't forget to watch my other decorating videos. Thank you. Bye.